everyone. Get ready because we are rolling out some rhythmic revelry. It's time for kitchen sink-o-pation fun as we are cooking it with the Jammin Chefs.
All right, kids, you can preheat that oven to 349 degrees Fahrenheit exactly. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I hope you all have our appetites. If you're hungry out here, can I get a Disneyland chef? Yeah! All right, that's nice to hear. We got some delicious food cooking up for everyone. Dale, can I get them a little smart, please? Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, that's looking good, Dale. Thank you so much. Over here, chefs. All right, can I get this on to 342 degrees Fahrenheit? Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, he's looking good over here. Look good over here, chef. Look good over here, chef. All right. Hello, everyone! I am Executive Chef Cookin. So what? The Big Cheese! We're the Jammin Chefs, and we are truly proud to be here today at the Food and Wine Festival to present the cooking demonstration of the 3 unique elements featured in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Gorgonzola's Rolling Kitchen! As I was saying, my sous chefs here are each experts in their own specialty. Woo!
Jammin Chefs.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Heard.
Yes, sir.
All right, now let me introduce you to my 3 amazing sous chefs. First up, we have the chef who has a wild passion for all things spicy, Chef Jalapeno. Excellent taste. Next up, we have the chef who specializes in the smooth roll and simmer, Chef Alfredo. Comfort food at its finest. And last and certainly not least, we have the chef who brings the texture and the satisfying crunch, Chef Picone. Absolutely stunning. See, these 3 measure up to my high standards. Because here, we don't just celebrate food, we elevate food. Yes, and helping us today with our kitchen preparations are our 2 lovely kitchen assistants, Daisy Duck and Clarabelle Cow. And of course, we have our 2 eager apprentices, Chip and Dip. Oh, I'm so sorry. Chip and Delicious. And today I will lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on a classic, Rat-a-tat-tat-chewy. Now, pay close attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led me to advice that is sound. This is why I've assembled this talented team to help demonstrate how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture. With techniques that require precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! Put a lid on it! Whose kitchen is this?
Your chef.
Everyone back to your stations.
Yes, chef.
My team. Seasoned professionals who relish a good joke. Hey, it was good enough in rehearsals. Anyway, back to ratatouille, a signature dish of France. Now, to begin any good recipe, we must all work together as a team. And generally, I run a very strict kitchen. But today, I will level my attitude by inviting you all into the dining section to help prepare the mise en place. Now, first order of business in my kitchen is you must follow along, pay close attention, and most importantly, participate, because it is time to slice and dice. All right, first up we have the master of the cutting board, Chef Jalapeno. We're gonna slice and dice. We slice, we slice, we slice, and dice. Very good, slice, we slice, slice, and dice. There you go, slice, we slice, slice, and dice. Fantastic. Next up we have the master of layer, Chef Picone. We're gonna layer like this. We layer, we layer, we layer, and layer. I need more layers. Layer, here we go. Layer, layer, and layer. Okay, layer, we layer, layer, and layer. Fantastic. Now we know he's the master of the sauce. Well, let's add some spice. Here we go. We sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. And then we end with the chef's kiss. All right, I think it's about time to put those ingredients together. If you're with me, say yes, chef. I can't hear you. Okay, let's go. We slice, we slice, we slice, and dice. Get some layers now. Layer, layer, hey, layer, and layer. Now the sauce, sauce, and spice. We sauce, and spice. We sauce, and spice, and then we end with the chef's kiss. All right, in my kitchen, practice makes perfect, so let's do that one more time. Here we go. We slice, we slice, we slice, and dice. Layers in the back. Now layer, we layer, layer, and layer. Very good. Now sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. We sauce and spice, and then we end with the chef's kiss. Good job, everybody. Give us a round of applause. Congratulations. You are all now my honorary line cooks. And as a treat, my sous chefs will cook up a storm. Hey, don't run into the kitchen. Aren't they just amazing? Honestly, the best thing I could ever ask for. I'll let you in on a little secret. Everything you hear, see, and smell, 100% my doing. Oh yeah. I'm the top chef here in this kitchen. They always follow the recipe to the T also. There is a surprise ingredient over here. Another thing you want to find in my kitchen is any chip monkey business. What do they see my kitchen? Anywho, how's it going? What is your favorite food? Listen to this. This will be the greatest recipe I've ever created. This is not what I taught you. This is a recipe for disaster. I'm on the big cheese, am I? I just stink, don't I? Too much sauce, too much spice, too much crunch, not enough crunch. I don't even manage to do that. Well, it's masterful. It's beautiful. It's magic. See? We all came together to create something even better than the original. This is the moment we've been waiting for. recipe. We may have different rhythms, but mix them all together in a kitchen sink-o-pation. Now go enjoy and taste everything because food, like life, is a celebration. Thank you all so much. Great work, crew. Let's wrap it up.
Great work in the kitchen. Thank you for helping everybody.
Thank you for cooking with the Jammin Chefs. We hope you enjoy a delicious day at Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival.